In this Python NiceGUI tutorial, we will make a web application with a tab element. There will be login and sign up tab objects in the application. In the video, I will show you step by step how to do the application. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. So let's start. First, I will create a tab element using with. I set the size of the object using the class's function. I create login and sign up tab objects. I send the appropriate names for the objects to the tab function. I save the code file and run it. You can go to this address using any browser. I created an application that contains 2 tab objects. Now I will add objects to these tab elements. I'm creating a panel using with. I send the login tab variable I created to the panel function. The value represents the default tab object. I adjust the size of the object with the class's function. I create a tab panel function using the with keyword. I send the login variable to the function. The following codes represent the objects that will appear in the login tab. I create 2 input objects for username and password. I send appropriate texts to the input functions. I am saving the code file. I added input objects for username and password to the login tab. Finally, I will add a button. I am creating a variable for the button. I send text, icon, and color values to the button function. I am saving the code file. I added a button to the web page. I will now create the same objects in the sign up tab object. I'm copying and pasting. I am making the necessary arrangements. I am saving the code file. I created login and sign up tabs and objects. The password section appears clearly. I can hide the entered value for password. I send the password true value to the input functions created for password. I am saving the code file. The value entered in the password input object is not displayed. In this application, we learned how to use the tab element. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.